Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you what my 8-month-old baby eats in a day, which is pretty much the same as what I eat in a day as well. So let's get started. For breakfast I usually have oatmeal or porridge as they say in Britain, and we have it almost every single day. So this is the porridge diluted with some more water to make it thinner for him. Coming! Rabbit. More. Not enough. This is how much he ate. Almost nothing left. And now I will go and top up with a bit of milk as well. But it was so good, wasn't it? Yeah. We also shared a banana, the two of us. He generally eats maybe half of a banana like this. He loves bananas. Oh, and you know what we discovered last night? That his favorite food is, you won't believe, goat's milk, kefir. So Lithuanian. He loves his sauerkraut, good meat, kefir, pretty much everything that Lithuanians eat. No wonder why it has a Lithuanian passport. And maybe you noticed earlier on in the clip from early morning, I had something red on my nose, and that's not a spot. He actually bit me on the nose the other day, and now it's still scarred. His teeth are so sharp. He has two of them, but they're sharp like kitten's teeth. That's it for breakfast, and I'm actually about to start cooking lunch. I'll show you what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to make a simple marinade for the fish. I almost always use it when I cook white fish or salmon because it just tastes amazing and it's so simple. So I'm going to add maybe half a tablespoon of mayo, teaspoon of mustard, half a tablespoon of olive oil, more or less a teaspoon of lemon juice, and some black pepper. I'm not adding any salt for now because babies are not really supposed to eat much salt. I'm going to salt mine later when it's already ready, and Leonardo will eat it without salt. And of course I need to chop up the parsley and add it in as well. And I just ate a few dates as well because I'm starving. The boys are out shopping for food. I'm home alone. I don't really have lunch until they come back, so that's why I'm starving. Now let's prepare the fish. The fish is so beautiful. It's wild caught, and after we started buying the wild caught salmon, I can't even look at the farmed salmon anymore. It's just not tasting the same, doesn't look the same, doesn't have the same texture. So wild caught is the only one we buy now, and it happens to be much better for the health as well. So now I'm just going to spread that sauce all over the fish, just like that. I recently read an article that said mayo can make any meat taste better or something like this. I think the same can be said for fish as well. It's so good. The mayo plus mustard is even better. Leonardo loves salmon. He eats all kinds of flesh, but salmon is definitely one of his favorite. Try to eat fish maybe 3 times a week, and salmon probably once or twice a week. Salmon has a lot of omega-3 acids, which is so good for baby's brain development. Also vitamin D, lots of vitamin A, lots of good protein. It's just a superfood for babies and adults as well. So now the oven is hot. I'm going to cook it at 190 degrees for around 14-15 minutes. Now to go with the fish, I'm thinking to saute these little mini courgettes. Look how cute they are. They're so tiny, and when they're so small, they're actually really nice, sweet and juicy. So I'm going to cook them on a bit of ghee, and that should be nice for all of us. And I have to be quick because the fish will be ready in 15 minutes. Look how tiny they are. Tiny baby courgettes for a baby. I got the fish recipe from a book called Baby-Led Feeding. Such a great resource if you have a baby and you're about to start weaning him or her. And I changed the recipe a little bit. I don't like garlic, but the recipe is great for both adults and babies, so I use it all the time now. And the fish is ready. It looks delicious. The rice is cooking. I always add a bit of ghee to rice, just tastes better. And these are the little slices of the baby courgettes. And Leonardo's lunch is ready. I don't know if he's going to eat everything because this is quite a lot. But in the last couple of days, he's been eating much more than usual, so we'll see. He's already arrived because he knows that there is food around. Mmm, the salmon is so good. Now for dinner, I'm making a pumpkin and lentil soup. It's very simple to make. They're literally just 1, 2, 3 ingredients and 1 spice. It takes very little time. So to start with, I roasted some pumpkin at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. And then I sauteed some onion on a bit of ghee. And then I added some red lentils. Cooked them for around 40 minutes until they were soft. And finally, I added the roasted pumpkin and blended everything together. Also added a tiny bit of nutmeg. Yeah.